Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here she is once again, our little baby girl, our niece, our sister, Ghaida al-Halabiyya. Her father hails from Aleppo. This camp that we're in right now, the thing that jumped out off of the page at me in this camp was the sheer number of children that were here. And Ghaida is just one of the many children that has a backstory that's a bit sad. She is in need of an ear operation so that inshallah ta'ala her hearing can be enhanced. At the moment, she doesn't hear anything. So what they want to do is an initial operation where they put some water in her ear along with some other things, and then after that, give her a hearing aid. The father has no way whatsoever of trying to make this happen. So we want to get behind him and we want to support him. And we want to, inshallah ta'ala, be responsible for following this thing up. It's not a case of just giving money and we leave the case like that. No, we're going to follow it up. So now, having this little girl, she's one of those special looking babies that we see all the time. There's some children, they just have a look that stands out in different ways. She's one of those babies. She caught our eye as soon as we came into the camp. So she's been hanging out with us ever since that time. So brothers and sisters, what we want you to do, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, is any of you who have it in your heart to specify, I would like to help little Ghaida, inshallah, to do this operation and to get her help with her hearing. And you let us know, and we're going to handle it from there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Tafaddal ya Ghaida.